Bali. Here we go. Immigration is done. Customs declaration is done. We're outside. Instead of riding the taxi, kay mahal kay siya, we decided to ditch the taxi. Wala namin nag-taxi. We decided to walk instead.
Ano uso sa ilang ano
Kay
pagbuhi diri silang la.
duol raman.
May scooter naman silang la.
O niya si Marge kay sige siya yaw-yaw, while gayaw-yaw po ko sa vlog. So, i-appeal ko na siya.
Yaw.
Para makita ninyo kung sa katabihan si Margie. Ang Bali Palm Hotel is only 1 kilometer away from the airport. Pero if magsakyanan, it's 2.5.
So, lakaw na lang.
Lakaw na lang kay 1 km raman.
Puto dyan siya.
Puto. Oh, very traditional here in Bali. So many traditional houses and buildings, as you can see.
Baraka.
Yay, we saved a lot of money. Kay ang airport taxi was 250,000 or 25 SGD.
That's
Grab is 35,000 or 3 SGD, 3.5 SGD. But we walked instead. So, kita pa na mo ang mga spots here.
Yeah.
Nag-andam lang may kalo. Oh.
Balik ko
Good
na to.
thing we bought kalo. Hats.
Massage.
I bought this hat in SM sa Island Souvenirs. It has Cebu on it. Represent. Pero nag-wait up snacks from Marge. Palit siya sa convenience. Oh, very...
Kanihan, makinesim.
Okay, let's go. We're still finding SIM. We're still looking for SIM. We still haven't found SIM. SIM card. Still no SIM card. Hello? Still no SIM card. We're still looking for SIM card. But we're near the hotel. Very nice here. I like it here. I could live here.
Pangkuhan dyan siya ng
Maybe. So traditional. Look. Very traditional.
Yours. Mocha latte.
Good day, mocha latte.
Latte.
Ay, kay galakaw ta.
Ano, may puto.
It's a good decision to walk.
Ma-explore na ito ba no?
No Grab, no Uber. We are refused. Oh, so Bali does not like Grab and Uber. Ah, so many statues. We are about 200 to 300 meters away. No, we're close.
Walang init. Because full of...
Wala init. Amazing. Very... If there's a place I could recommend to have your body clock reset, Bali, Indonesia. Perfect place.
With your partner, of course.
Or without your partner. If you don't have partner. check-in is still at 2 p.m. So, amorang gibili na mong gamit. In the meantime, ano ni? We were inquiring if how much ang day tour. If from hotel, it's 600,000. But if from taxi lang, sa driver, it's 500,000. Thinking. 11:10 na. So we decided not to go through the tour, but na lang at 8 a.m. Karon mangita mig SIM. The convenience, no SIM. So we're going to the mall instead. So it's called Lipo Mall. Lipo Mall. Finally, SIM card at Playworks. Na sila SIM, 11 gig. Philippines. Cebu.
What's your name?
LD.
LD, Udin.
Udin. Hi, Udin.
Meet you. When you come to Bali?
Just this morning.
Just this morning?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
There, we're staying there.
Bakong Beach. Oh, nice. What's your name? Mars.
So, moto siya. Nag-promote sila silahang hotels, which is murag membership something, just like Crown Regency and sa tong sa Boracay, Henan in Boracay. We're not falling for that again. Although very good siya. Although free siya.
Freebies.
Pero ang akong kakuyawan, basig if dili may magpa-member, di na may papaulion. Yung sakay rabi nila. Anyway. Ada. Kitchen food court. We found the food. Bijanit not.
This video?
Oh, hey. Yes, hi. Yes.
How about?
We decided to not go.
Not go? Yeah.
Kenapa kau nak tahu? Tahu ko na yan? And ang initan. Tara. The sand is so hot. We're at the beach side.
Ganahan kasi lang magpanto.
Init kaayo ang sand. We'll come back here for tomorrow or later when the sun is down, or tomorrow before the sun is up. We're back at the hotel. So, check-in na mi. Try mag-check-in. Init kayo. Naglakaw na may for like more than 5 minutes. Wala pa minabot sa Kota Water. Ito? Kota Beach. But, naa dito ang Discovery Shopping Mall. Ako kayo siya nga mall. Puti kayo siya nga mall. Very fancy. Awa. gusto yung gana. Yoshinoya.
Awa, ito. Nakuha sa crab.
Una ko. Ano? Ang prawn.
Bad. Wala kita kaagi ani galingan ko, no? Ang lugar.
Wala. Para airport? Lagi ka na airport? Wala.
Here.
Koklat.
Awa.
Your body is a wonderland. Your body is a wonderland.
Nindot daw. Dire ni na ko ba?
Nandiyan may nakitang SIM.
Where you come from?
SIM card. 11 gigabytes of data for only
200.
150.
200.
200. Not 150, it's 200. They have a promo for their cell phone casing. So we bought two. Similar. Playworks.
Playworks.
We intended to only buy SIM. Turned out we spent more than what we paid for. We spent more than what we bargained for. We bought casing. Show the casing. We bought tempered glass. We also bought tempered glass.
Couple tempered glass.
We spent 600,000 rupiah.
100,000, almost a million.
Almost a million na. My goodness. So we're going home. Going to sleep. Bye. Good night. See ya.
Tomorrow,